I created these UGC ads, consistent character and action scenes, all inside a connected workflow without juggling between different tools. This is Magnific AI, an all-in-one platform to generate creatives with node-based workflows, earlier known as Freepik spaces. And in this video, I'll show how to use Magnific AI to generate stunning video assets with full control and precision. You'll find links to all the tools and prompts used here in the description below. Let's start by creating a space in Magnific. A space is the work area where you import different nodes and connect them to generate your videos. There are several nodes available, but for this workflow, you will need the assistant node for prompt manufacturing, the image generation node, and the video generation node. First, we'll create a high-quality UGC ad using GPT-2. To generate the actor, open an image generator, set the orientation to 9:16, and input your prompt to create the character. You can use this prompt. Next, in another image generator, reference that image to generate a character sheet. This should include 4 views: full body front, side, and back views, along with a close-up portrait, to ensure the identity, outfit, and proportions remain consistent. Here's the prompt you can use. Once the character and sheet are generated, it's time to generate the elements. For the environment, use a separate image generator to create a bedroom vanity setup using this prompt. For the product, such as a perfume bottle, use another image generator to produce a professional product shot on a white background by typing this prompt. Lastly, to generate the final video, open a video generator. Set the orientation to 9:16 and the duration to 10 seconds. In the final prompt, reference your images for the UGC creator, the perfume product, and the vanity environment. Define the 10-second timeline, including specific dialogue and actions such as the creator spraying the perfume and smiling at the camera. You can use this prompt to create the video. And here's the result.
I just found my new favorite perfume. It smells amazing, and it's only $20.99. You should definitely try this.
The realism is high, the expressions are clear, and the lip sync is accurate. While there may be a minor inconsistency with the perfume bottle, the results are still very good. Now we'll make a fight scene using the same sequence we used earlier. You can either generate the characters from scratch or use previously generated characters. For this video, I will use the superhero and the supervillain I generated previously. Once the images are uploaded, the next step is to generate a face-off image. Reference both images in an assistant node and provide a directive to generate a hyper-realistic full-body studio shot of the face-off. You'll want to specify that the characters should be in profile, facing each other in ready-to-fight stances on a seamless white background. Here's a prompt you can use in this case. Next, hit Generate to get the final prompt, then connect the text node from the assistant and the image nodes to another image generator. Select Nano Banana Pro as your image model and hit Generate to create the face-off image. Once that's done, reference your images to generate a character movement sheet. This should depict a fist fight sequence in a comic book cell layout with technical diagram annotations. You can create it yourself using this prompt. Next, use a separate image generator to create the environment. In this case, a cinematic destroyed city street with cracked asphalt, smoke, and dramatic sunset lighting. Here's the prompt. Now that you have all the elements, it's time to generate the video scene using the same settings. In the video generator, type your prompt while referencing the superhero, the supervillain, the environment, and the choreography guide. The prompt should instruct the AI to execute the full combat sequence while maintaining strict character consistency and realistic physics, such as cloth simulation and debris scattering. The prompt goes like this. Within a few minutes, you will get your output. The result is phenomenal, particularly the slow motion effect on the final punch. The entire scene appears to be taken directly from movie. Lastly, let's create a scene where a player moves around a tennis court while maintaining a consistent character throughout the sequence. First, you need to generate a character. In your space, select an image generator and an assistant node. While you can paste prompts directly into the image generator, Using the assistant node helps manufacture the prompt. Input a prompt for an ultra-realistic professional male tennis player in a relaxed posture on a white studio background. Here's a prompt you can use. Then hit Generate to get the final prompt and connect the text node to the image generator. Use the new GPT-2 as your image generation model and set the orientation to 1 is to 1. Once you have your output, generate a character sheet to ensure consistency. In another image generator, reference your initial image. Use NanoBanana 2 as the image model to create a sheet with 4 views: full body front, side, back, and a close-up portrait. You can use this prompt. Next, generate the individual elements, a tennis ball and a tennis net, using separate image generators with GPT-2 as the model. Set the detail to medium to help save credits. Here's a quick tip. You can group your generations by selecting the relevant nodes to keep your workflow organized. To ensure the character plays tennis smoothly, you will need a separate choreography infographic. In a new image generator, reference your character image and prompt for a 16-step grid showing a sequence of tennis movements, such as a forehand swing, serve toss, and recovery steps. Here's the prompt for this choreography sheet. With the character and elements ready, select a video generator. You will need to refer to your generated images, the player, the ball, the court, and the choreography sheet. Remember to reference the image that contains the full character sheet with all body angles. It keeps the character consistent from every view. If you skip it, results often break, and you end up wasting credits. In the prompt, specify a 10-second cinematic video that follows the 16 movements in order. Ensure the player remains fully visible from head to toe throughout the sequence to avoid cropped framing. Reference the character sheet with all body angles here. This is crucial for keeping the character consistent and avoiding wasted credits. You can use this prompt. Lastly, select Seedance 2.0 as your video generation model. Set the resolution to 720p, the orientation to 16 is to 9, and the duration to 10 seconds. Make sure to turn on the sound for the energetic instrumental track. After a few minutes, your output will be ready. The results look incredibly realistic, providing a fluid and professional-grade training sequence. Before wrapping up, let's quickly talk about the pricing. Magnific generally does not offer a free plan. Pro plan starts at $20 per month, giving access to high-end models like GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, which are essential for the character consistency and realistic motion we've covered. You also get discounted pricing based on your home currency. Overall, Magnific AI is a very solid choice when it comes to video generation, but success depends on the accuracy of your prompts and how well they depict your intended output. Keep in mind that credits can be exhausted quickly while regenerating scenes with advanced models. So try out Magnific AI using the discount link and prompt formula sheet in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.